Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete uploaded pictures on Facebook. So firstly you need to open Facebook app on your mobile. Then just right here you need to click on your profile picture. Your profile picture would be here or sometime it would be at the bottom. So basically you just need to click on your profile picture. Once you click on your profile picture you will able to see your profile, and here you need to click on these three dots, and as you click there you will able to see couple of options, and one of them is activity log. So click on that, and just right here you have the option your Facebook activity. Open this drop down, and now if you scroll a bit you will able to see the option post, and underneath we have the option manage posts. So click on that, and now here we're gonna click on filters option, then go to categories. Here choose your post, photos and videos option. Once you've done that you will able to see all of the photos, pictures you have uploaded on Facebook, and in order to delete all of them at once you need to click on all. Once all of them are selected, just click on trash, click on move to trash. Then you will see pop-up like this which says that changes will get updated in couple of seconds or minute depending on how much photos you have uploaded on Facebook. After a period of time you will see that all of your post videos has been deleted from Facebook, and that's exactly how you can do this. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.